What is up, everyone? So today I'm going to show you what to do with your secondary heel after you made that leg lamp. Of course, you guys aren't girls, so you have this heel. Your woman's probably going to wonder what the hell you're doing, so might as well make it a gift, right? Given the circumstances that you're in right now and position you're in at utilizing a second heel instead of throwing it away, especially if it's brand new, which you should buy a brand new heel. Use it as a gift. Okay, so this one I turned into a ring holder like that. All right, all you need is the pillows for rings and that type of stuff. Cut out the shape, slide it in. I'll show you how to get that done right now. So let's get into this DIY project and see what it's all about. So all I did was spend a few dollars on this foam. It's foam on one side and it's like a soft velvet on the other side with slits all the way through, and this allows you to push rings through, or even your chain necklaces, whatever you have, and then let some droop down. Okay, this stuff's really inexpensive and it's a great gift for the holidays. Okay, so you want to make sure that your slots are going horizontally. You can do them vertically if you want, but this is all wasted space because it's up and down. You want them horizontal so you can put more in a row and it looks good, and you could display rings nicely like that. And also it's already pre-sized as far as height for the heel that you're going to put it in. Now all you got to do is measure width. So if I wanted it 2 wide or 3 wide, it's up to me. What I can do is cut 3 wide and create a curvature, or I could cut 2 wide and have it slip inside. If you ever need it to pop out like a pillow, you could cut another strip and put it behind it to enhance the look. So I think since we have a whole bunch of these, I'll start off with 2 wide. Okay, so what you can do is shape it to the curvature of the heel, because what's going to end up happening is when you slide it in, okay, it's going to look like so. As you can see, it fits nice and flush in there, really nice. And then we could add another layer in there as well. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and then we could add a secondary layer to kind of conform it a little bit more, create a pillow look. Okay, and then that's what it'll look like, and then you can put your rings in there. But like I said, I think cutting it may present a little bit better. So let's okay, so once you cut that curvature out, that's what it should look like. Okay, a little up close, what it looks like with the rings, side view. Your significant other can put this on their mantle next to them once they're done, their bedside. Once they're done for the night, they just slip the rings right in. They have them to go. It looks pretty neat, something different, a little DIY project. And since it's coming from you guys, or you ladies, it's a little bit more cherishable as a gift, so that's going to complete today's little quick DIY project with the extra stuff that you have. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. I don't do things like this often, but since I had the opportunity based on the circumstances that were given, I did it for you guys. So hit that like button. Other than that, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.